Hello to all my friends out there. So here is a shot of the 14-day meal plan. You know, the videos don't feed in sequence in months to come. So, okay, I made the pizza the other night. That was good. I still have some in the freezer. And so the next thing I want to make is taco soup. This one. So what I want to start doing is giving you guys the recipe the night before in case some of you want to make this soup. I have had really good luck with this recipe, with this book. Let me show you the front in case I bought this at a thrift store. And tons of good recipes. So tomorrow I'm making the taco soup. All I have to do is I get some hamburger, some onions. I have kidney beans in the stockpile, string beans in the stockpile. I usually use stewed tomatoes. I have those. I have corn in the stockpile. I have tomato sauce in the stockpile. I have taco seasoning in the stockpile. And I don't have any corn chips. So the thing about this that's really good is it's easy to make, and I have almost everything I need in the stockpile, and probably so do you. So okay, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and God bless you all.